In 2023, a 24-year-old woman was told she had 6 months to live, until an AI doctor found a cure that her human team missed. This isn't a miracle, it's machine learning. But can we trust robots with our lives? Let's find out. AI is storming hospitals, diagnosing cancers, performing surgery, even predicting heart attacks years in advance. But with stories of misdiagnoses and robot errors, is this healthcare's salvation, or its downfall? Today, we dissect the rise of AI doctors. Meet DeepDX, an AI that spots rare cancers human radiologists miss. In 2022, it detected pancreatic cancer in a patient whose scans looked clean to 3 specialists. How? By analyzing 100,000+ hidden data points. Take Emily, a nurse whose leukemia was flagged by AI 8 months before symptoms appeared. Today, she's alive, but here's the catch. The AI also gave 12% of patients false alarms. Would you risk it? Da Vinci system performs 600,000+ surgeries yearly, with smaller scars and faster recovery. But in 2021, a glitch caused one to freeze mid-operation. Are we trading human error for machine meltdowns?
AI surgeons reduce complications by 30%, but they lack intuition. If something goes wrong, there's no gut feeling to save you. Dr. Sarah Lynn, Johns Hopkins.
In 2023, hackers held a hospital hostage by disabling its AI diagnostic tools. Meanwhile, studies show AI misreads X-rays 40% more often for Black patients. Why? Because 90% of training data is white and male.
AI can democratize healthcare, versus it's automating racism. Who's right?
Staged a showdown. 10 doctors versus IBM's Watson AI. Both got identical patient histories. The results? AI was 20% faster, but missed critical context like family trauma. Speed versus wisdom. Who won? Soon, AI could predict strokes from your smartwatch or customize cancer drugs for your DNA. But would you trust a robot to prescribe your meds? Or is this the end of human empathy and healing? If you're fascinated by the future of healthcare, or terrified of robot nurses, hit subscribe. Let's debate. Should AI replace doctors? Comment below.